y'all. Thank you for watching. As always, I really do appreciate it. I wanted to make just a quick video today to give you an update on this project that I touched on in my last episode on making that circle cutting jig for my router. And that is this, this fireplace chair, a swivel chair that I designed. I just put the folding chair up on the table here next to it to give you an idea of scale. Let me take it off so I don't knock it over. And this cushion here is actually from our patio furniture, so I just set it up here because I was testing it out and whatnot. But yeah, I finished making the prototype. This is it. I'm happy with it. I decided for this project I'd be a little more official and create a set of design drawings, which I went ahead and did. I got on SketchUp and Layout to create a set of design drawings for the whole project, in addition to a couple of jigs that I needed to make specifically for this, so I can refer back to that during the actual build and then make any changes and just have that for future reference. So the plan now is I'll be going to Al soon to get some walnut. As I mentioned in the last video, I'm gonna be making 2 of these chairs. So I'll go to Al, pick the wood up, start building. I'm thinking that I should be able to finish this project in 2 episodes. So once I get started building and have enough material, I'll go ahead and drop the first one. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I just want to get on today and give you guys a quick update on what I'm working on and where I'm at. So stay tuned for the part 1 of this. I'm calling it the Hearth swivel chair build. So, all right. So bye for now. See you soon.